And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the family of a woman who was killed in an alleged accidental discharge from the firearm of her cop boyfriend are demanding answers this evening.
The 19-year-old left her Westmoreland home to visit her boyfriend at a hotel in Maypen, Clarendon, where the incident happened on Sunday.
Kimberly Petty has the details.
Nadine Suku on the death of her 19-year-old daughter, Jamoy Suku. The deceased was fatally shot at a Maypen hotel on Sunday night, where she and a policeman were guests. There are conflicting reports on the incident, as is understood. The policeman gave conflicting accounts of how his firearm discharged while they were in the room. The deceased woman's mother, who resides in St. Elizabeth, told TVJ News that she was unaware the policeman in question was her daughter's boyfriend. She explained she'd only spoken to him twice on video call. She says initially she was told by the police that her daughter received one shot. However, when she got to the morgue to identify her body,
this look like a cover-up because they tell me say a one shot she get. Miss Kimberly, and when we go identify her body, last night, me see she get one shot in her face above, between the end point her nose and the top lip.
Ms. Suku says what is also puzzling is that her daughter has 2 iPhones, but only one was recovered. The distraught mother says her daughter's other phone went online after her death. The deceased woman's sister, Rasheen Blake, is also questioning the circumstances that led to her sister's death. She too only met the cop via a video call.
No, I don't think it's an accident.
What are you thinking?
Because my sister get 2 shots, so I not think a accident. I wouldn't think a accident that if my sister get 2 shots. First of all, if gun go off, where holster they? Gun alone the pan bed, how that work? Him put on gun and gun go off and my sister get 2 shots. My sister naked, then go find my sister naked, I bleed. My sister get 2 shots. So how that?
Miss Blake says her sister had only introduced the policeman to her as a friend and that they met 4 months ago. She says she had no prior knowledge that her sister was heading to Clarendon to visit him.
We want the investigation, of course, because he must say an incident. It's not no incident. It couldn't be no incident. Couldn't be an incident. I don't believe it's no incident. I want deeper investigation into this.
The mother made this appeal.
I'm calling on the DPP, I'm calling on the JCF, I'm calling on the Prime Minister, I'm calling on the entire Jamaica. Everybody, Indicom, every single body. My daughter was murdered cold-blooded. And I need justice, a 19-year-old justice. I need to know what happened. I need to know everything. I need to know every unanswered question.
Meanwhile, Indicom is investigating the matter. In a press release, Indicom stated that the concerned officer was served with a notice to submit a statement and an interview will be scheduled. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.